Terminal navigation is notoriously rigid. If you want to move through a deeply nested project, you have to type out the full, exact path, literally layer by layer, folder by folder. Instead of wrestling with typos, you can skip the middle steps. By providing just a fragment of the destination name, you arrive instantly. This is Zoxide. It's an intelligent replacement for your standard change directory command that actively tracks where you go, learning your habits to predict your next destination. To get this set up, we are going to grab the necessary binaries, integrate an interactive search menu, and carefully sidestep a notorious configuration trap that breaks custom terminal environments. Eliminating the cognitive load of path memorization allows you to move through your environment without breaking your concentration, accelerating your entire development workflow. Step 1 is getting the software onto your machine. You'll need your terminal open and your package manager ready, like apt, pacman, brew, or Winget. Run your package manager's install command to pull down Zoxide, along with a secondary tool called FCF. FCF is a command line fuzzy finder. We need it installed alongside Zoxide so we can generate visual, interactive search menus later on. Now we need to hook Zoxide into your shell. Open your shell configuration file and paste the specific initialization code at the absolute bottom of the document. Save that file, close the editor, and open a brand new terminal window. If your prompt loads without any error text, the hook is active. The placement of that code matters. Pasting initialization scripts anywhere other than the very end of your config file is the primary reason command line tools fail to load up properly. Right now, Zoxide doesn't know anything about your workflows. Its database is completely empty. To train it, start moving through your directories exactly as you normally would. The only difference is that you will use the Z command instead of CD. As you do this, a background process silently captures those full path jumps and logs them into a local database. After just a few navigations, you can start using fragments. Type Z followed by 3 letters and you instantly jump. The logic making this possible is an algorithm known as frequency, a portmanteau of frequency and recency. This chart shows frequency in action. Every visit increases the baseline score by 1 point. But as time passes, the algorithm applies mathematical decay to unvisited directories. Their scores drop, allowing newly accessed folders to skyrocket past them in the rankings. When you type a search fragment that matches 2 different folders, Zoxide checks these rankings and automatically routes you to the one with the highest aggregate score. To keep performance tight, an automated garbage collection routine routinely scans the database and permanently purges paths that have decayed below a certain threshold. Sometimes you need a visual prompt to remember where you want to go. Typing Z triggers the interactive mode, pulling up the fuzzy finder tool we installed earlier. This brings up a ranked list of your visited directories. As you type a few keystrokes, the list filters down in real time, letting you visually select your target. Combining mathematical frequency scoring with visual fuzzy finding replaces rigid memorization with an intuitive system of spatial recall. Occasionally, things go wrong. You might open a fresh terminal tab, type Z, and immediately hit a command not found error. A common reflex is to manually source the standard ZSH or bash config file in your home directory to fix it. But doing so often strips away your custom terminal theme entirely, leaving you with a bare-bones default prompt. This failure happens when your terminal environment is silently pointing to a custom configuration routing path, often defined by the z.dir variable. To repair this, echo that variable to find the true directory path. Then, open the hidden configuration file located there and inject your Zox initialization string into that specific target. Knowing exactly where and in what order your shell loads its configuration files ensures your custom environment remains stable and active on every launch. With a populated database and a stable shell hook, you can now navigate a deeply nested file system using rapid-fire fragmented keystrokes and interactive menus. You have successfully bypassed the slow, rigid structure of the standard change directory command, all without breaking your custom shell environment. If you want to push this further, you can adjust the initialization code with an advanced flag that maps Zoxide directly onto the cd command, making the replacement entirely invisible. For ongoing maintenance, check the official documentation to learn database management commands. You'll find tools to manually prune out specific, unwanted directory paths from your rankings. Configuring intelligent systems to carry the cognitive burden of navigation offloads the friction of the terminal, leaving your focus on the code itself.